Hello everyone. In this video, I just want to say something about affirmative and negative sentences. If you like this video, please give a like or share or subscribe my channel. It is an earnest request to all of you. So, now I will start. What is an affirmative sentence? As you know that an affirmative sentence expresses the validity of truth of an assertion. It is any declaration that is positive. So we have to remember that affirmative sentences refers to the positive sentences. For example, Rima is a girl. While negative sentence is a sentence which is generally made negative in English by placing the adverb not after the finite verb. A negative sentence is something opposite to affirmative, means almost polar opposite to the affirmative sentence. It refers to a negative point which is opposite to a positive sentence. For example, I have no pain. It means we must have to use no or not in a negative sentence as it refers to the negativity, which means something is not so. While affirmative sentence always refers to the positivity of a particular sentence. Now I am just giving you some examples of affirmative and negative sentences. So number 1 example, you see, I play. In affirmative you have to say I play. It means it refers something like positivity. While if this sentence is converted to a negative sentence, then you have to write I do not play. It means you must have to use no or not in a negative sentence. Example number B, we play. In affirmative, we play. While in negative, you have to convert we do not play. Number C, he plays. In negative, you have to write he does not play. Number D, in affirmative, you have to write they play. While this sentence is converted to negative sentence, then you have to write they do not play. Example number E, she is painting. In negative you have to write she is not painting. Example number F, she had a pain. In negative you have to write she had no pain. In affirmative you have to write he speaks French. While in negative you have to write he does not speak French. So in this way you have to convert the sentence from affirmative to negative. So I have shown this kind of examples. Hope you will understand. Thank you.